Okay, this one they want you to solve for the x by taking the square root. So here you have to isolate the x squared term. So I'm going to bring the 9 across so that I can isolate my x squared term. Because since they're opposite signs, you're going to subtract them. Is 168. So now I can get rid of the 2. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. And that would give you the 84. So here you did the inverse of multiplying, which is dividing. I isolated the x squared, but now you have to isolate the x further by getting rid of the square. So in order for you to do that, you have to square root both sides. That gets rid of the square right there, because the square root and the square are inverses of each other. And then you have to consider the positive and the negative. So now you're left with x equals positive negative square root of 84, but the 84 you have to try to break it down into parts, into prime numbers. That'll be 2 times 42, 2 times 21, and 3 times 7. These are both prime. So in other words, this is equivalent to the square root of 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. And in this case, I only see one pair, which is those two. So I can rewrite this as the square root of 2 squared, right? And these are just without any pairs. So here the only one that cancels was this one. These two stayed inside. So then you have a 2 and a square root of 21, because you multiply the 3 into 7. So my final answer should be x equals positive negative 2 square root of 21.